Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rolling Hops weekly beer tasting. We have a great one for you today, showcasing one of Toronto's finest breweries, Left Field Brewing on the east side of the city. Rolling Hops, our team, absolutely adore. We love Left Field. We've been working with them for a couple years now, actually showcasing them on some of our walking tours. In the northern area of a neighborhood on the east side of Toronto called Leslieville, super awesome spot. Left Field obviously having a connection with baseball. So most of their beers, in terms of their names or something associated with them, has something to do with baseball culture. Today we're showcasing a sour German style Goze, a great, awesome selection. Something that's super unique about this is that in this Goze, they actually use malted sunflower seeds. So if you're not a big baseball fan, you don't really know what that means. Well, sunflower seeds, typically in baseball players are just munching, chewing on sunflower seeds throughout the entire game. It's just part of the culture. Go in the comments, tell us about sunflower seeds and its history and connection to baseball. I'm not 100% sure. So something that's really unique about Gozes in particular is the addition of one particular ingredient, coriander. So something that really stands out in the flavor, you can really taste that coriander flavor. If you haven't tried a Goze, it's a great sour beer. Great flavors all around, very crisp, nice sour. You can really taste the coriander in this. Actually, you can taste some of those sunflower notes to it. It's actually a very unique style. I love the sort of original baseball charm that Left Field has thrown on this. It's really fantastic. So thanks so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and remember, craft beer is here.